waiting for the train because we're going to the Lindt factory.
What's Lindt Factory?
Lindt Factory chocolate.
And it's raining today. It's like raining tacos. It's raining raindrops. It's killing us. It rains all the time. Dad! Dad!
Thank you.
Hi guys! Pupunta na kami ngayon sa Lindt Factory kung saan maraming chocolates gawaan ng factory yung chocolates dito sa Switzerland. Kung kilala niyo yung chocolate na Lindt, yan yung pupuntahan namin. Makikita natin kung paano nila ginagawa yung chocolate, tapos kain din kami ng chocolate syempre. Nandito na kami sa malapit na sa harap ng Lindt Factory chocolates. Okay guys, see you later inside. Bye.
Picturean ka mo. Dili, picturean ka mo.
Dali lang. Hi everyone! Nandito kami ngayon sa Lindt Factory Store. So, dito natin makikita lahat na klase ng Lindt chocolate. Simula sa mga classics, at saka yung mga luma at mga bago nilang mga flavors. Nandito guys. So, we'll have a tour. So, you will see all the things here. And later, pupunta tayo ng museum. Box lang gamit to. Mga Lindor na, pistachio rin. Kanong Lindor ba? Pistachio.
Palito? Ano lang?
Sige. Ano kita? Tanggap ang tao sa kita.
Ano?
Magsulod pa ta sa museum ba? Pagawa sa nato sa museum. Sakit pa naman.
Here.
Mami. Ay, tama din, no?
Bitbitan yun.
Mag-ehan, magsulot ko ng data. Balik dito ka. Si Bus Dahlia. Yeah, I know this one.
Yeah, okay.
Hi guys. Ito yung ano nila guys, personalize. So, pwede kang mag-personalize ng lagayan ng ano mo, ng chocolate. So, nakikita mo merong word na Merci. Pwede mo yung palitan kung anong gusto mo. Up to 14 characters guys ang pwede mong palitan. Tapos bumili ka nito. Nasa 25 francs. Pero napakasarap ng chocolate nito guys. Subukan nyo. Ano na to?
Upside.
Tatlo.
I'm not going to the museum.
No, we go.
Ano ang pwede mo?
Mahal din.
Okay, what? Oh, okay.
Han, 25 han, idasok naman ani mo. Idasok naman siguro nila. Ang kiluhon nila.
Teya, you want this one? Later we're gonna buy 1 kilo lang. Later we're gonna buy.
Han, mix bag di ini han.
Ha?
Mix bag.
Sa mix. Tapos naman sila yung paper bag.
Mommy.
Totoo. Ha? Oh, ay, kaso mahal kayo, Han. Ayaw na, kaibutang naman yung mga.
pa nakuhaan.
Okay lang, wait lang. Wait. Kaya you get it. Okay na? Go to that.
Daddy, choose the same chocolate what we bought earlier. Just the same chocolate what we bought earlier. Come on! Oh yeah, I remember. Oh. Wait, that's it. What's next? Oh yeah, we buy this one, right? We buy this one.
Ayun, katulong
Not too much chocolate.
Hey, Mom.
Ay, balki na, balki. What is this? Ay, namin.
You want?
What is this?
Kani? Nice Switzerland.
Wala.
Five.
Ha? 5.
Only one?
Don't worry.
Okay. Porteya. Butangan na ito pangalan.
Teya.
Wala na na. Offer punga.
Gupi. Gupi.
This is Porteya. And the gift is inside. Okay,
Oh,
dali.
I think that's it.
Okay. Let me just say this one.
Want to buy one more, Mom?
No, the one that
Okay. I'll get Bob. Hold. Mom, hold. I'll get Bob. You want this? You want? Mommy, that's it.
ay farm lang gitsahan.
Okay. What's it?
Hayudini farm.
Review.
Wait.
Review.
I'm ready to get it.
20. Ay, wala na. 2025 ang ta.
Palm 25. Don't put space. 25, let's say. 25.
Wait.
Now go.
Wait. Hayudini farm.
Later. Print na.
I agree to the terms.
I'm ready. That's it. Oh, nosy. Get.
This way.
Get. Joking.
Printing and process. Just wait lang.
Sit there, Teya.
Sit here and wait. Okay.
Mama,
Okay.
it's kind of hot.
This only a box.
Put the chocolate out.
Are you getting closer? The night starts Switzerland, a small mountainous country in the heart of Europe. Up until the 19th century, no one associated Switzerland with chocolate or chocolate with Switzerland. How and why did the home of the freedom-loving Confederates manage to also become the home of chocolate? Does it have to do with the innovative spirit of its inhabitants, whom we not only owe our gratitude for the watch, pocket knife, and T-bar ski lift, but also chocolate as we know it? Or does it have to do with their appreciation of quality, without which it would be impossible to create such wonderfully delicate masterpieces? Or the cows in the meadows who supply their milk so reliably? Or was it by chance? Let's look for answers together.
I see the morning sun, and it's getting warmer, and I feel the engine run, and now I finally see the skyline. I know I'm really late, but the second I'm in your arms, it'll be worth the wait. Something beyond life, something we'll never get. Just like in the movies, something we'll never felt. When I'm with you, my world turns into something else. It is the strangest feeling, long it hurts like hell, and this taste is what he's there. Dad, I was calling you.
Wait, I'm taking videos of this.
Choose that one, and that one's the same.
Dad.
In the middle, boom.
Daddy, carry me. Mama,
Not allowed to do.
Significant countries of origin. The raw material of chocolate.
Oh, very good.
At least to visit the plantation out on short television. And also that no less than 60% of the world's milk still grows in Ghana and the Ivory Coast. This is another important significant producing contributes a mere 0.8% of the global cocoa harvest. Have a look at how the cocoa-producing countries are distributed on the globe. Now you'll see how they came up with the term cocoa belt. The countries are grouped very densely around the equator. How warm do you think it is at this moment in Ghana, for example? Look it up. Our live ticker will show you what you want to know. The controller and discovered more than 200 years of eventful chocolate history. Everything begins in 1899. At factory, Francois Louis Caillou Belin were the names. Suchard and Neuchâtel. Fabergé sets up in Geneva in the same year. Ray, a few decades later in Alger. Then draws us St. Gallen. Stays there with Bern, while Linda Shrubbery has been based in Detroit for 120 years. Chocolate's summer in 2017 as Chocolat Some have to close the doors and Toblerone has also disappeared. Just Toblerone beans. This is how it's
There's only two, okay? Two, one. Only two, take two. Han, kuha po, Han. Wait, this.
Mommy,
Only one. Blue tayo yan. The blue. Blue. Hindi the same. Both. Only one. Sorry, and one.
One each?
One each.
Ito na yun. This is a strawberry. Strawberry flavor. Go, move.
Yung kay Teya pa, Teya. Teya, this one. One only. Because it's different flavor. Oh. Wala man ka na po.
Nagkuha ko eh.
your fault.
Last one. Oh. Okay na. Asa na ta? This one is the exit.
Oh. Mahurot
But
eh.
he's taking photos for us here.
What's that? Oh, chocolate oh.
That's one.
Na.
Come on, let's go. Tugali. Hi guys, mga kababayan. Ito na po yung factory ng Lindt Chocolate. So, makikita natin kung paano nila ginagawa yung chocolate nila
Can we buy now there?
using the machine. So,
Dad?
simula sa
Dad?
pagiging chocolate
Buy now there?
hanggang sa pagpapak, hanggang sa pinuporma nila ng machine. Lahat machine by stage siya. Tapos sa dulo, nakabalot na siya. So sa ngayon, ang ginagawa nila yung maliliit na squares na chocolate. So tingnan nyo guys hanggang sa dulo kung paano nila gawin yung chocolates na kinakain in the whole world from the Lindt factory. Hello, kumusta? Natapos na natin yung the whole process. So, pag natapos nyo napanood yung the whole process, meron silang gift sa inyo. So, ito yung gift nila. Na ano, pero bago mo siya makuha, kailangan gawin mo muna ito. So, yung gift mo nasa loob ng bola. Yan. Mahuhulog. Dadaan sa proseso. Tapos, saka siya ibibigay ng chef sa inyo. Tapos, pulutin niyo na doon sa kanyang kuwanan. Op! Ayun na. Then, ita-drop niya. Then, kukunin na ni Thea. Yan. Yan. Tapos, kukunin ni Thea.
Mami, dali ka sabi kasi ano.
I'll get a little more. Because I hate caramel.
Guys, see you for our next vlog. I think this is the last part of our vlog. Na-exit na kami sa museum. And then, sunod namin na naman is ang FIFA Football Museum of Switzerland. So,
Why
see you
this is also
guys
caramel?
at FIFA World Museum.